Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. When I see information, I give you guys updates immediately. So I saw new information from the Wakanda Inu project. Yes, I made a video about them last night. I said all they do is they just wake up in the morning and tweet, have a bullish week, and in the evening they say thank you for holding Wakanda Inu or something like that. But then I was talking about them not even giving any information on the dates they are releasing their NFT and stuff like that. But from the tweet I've gotten now, the Wakanda Inu NFT Marketplace development is making good progress according to them. And they said they'll be announcing a major twist. Wow, big brother. Said they'll be announcing a major twist that will blow your mind on another major project. Very interesting. I'm surprised that Wakanda Inu is planning to announce a major twist for another major project when the Wakanda Inu project itself, we cannot say categorically where we are heading to. Well, this is not to make it look like this announcement is not important. It is very important because this is an update on the project. So people that are holding Wakanda, people that still believe in the project, this is a new update. This is a new announcement. It is important for you guys to also take note of this. But then after I saw this post in my head, I'm just thinking, what's the new twist? First release the NFT marketplace, but the developers of the project, I think they know better, so they have something in mind. But the feedback I'm getting from the followers of Wakanda Inu is not actually good. Somebody said, put your money in a project that will get ahead. I know they understand this Wakanda Inu again. Well, somebody said smart investors does and can recognize potential projects when they spot one. That is a defense for Wakanda Inu. And somebody said if you have this shit coin, sell it and move on. If you hold every time, if you open your wallet, you just get angry. Wow. Somebody said, he said, without any real product and listing and use case, just only creating hype. You need remarketing, not just lecture of holding and holding. Somebody said NFT marketplace will be launching latest first week of March. Wow. List will soon come. Trust is paramount. Said latest the first week of March. Now, if I am not reading this comment, I will not get this information. So I don't know how true this is, but then this person is saying that the Wakanda Inu NFT marketplace will be launching latest the first week of March. So far, there is no utility, there is no use case. In fact, the marketing, they collaborated with the marketing team recently. I have not seen any impact so far. Maybe it is after the NFT marketplace launch, but then we have gotten an info that latest it will be launching the first week of March. So that will be next month, guys. First week of March is already here. Let's keep watching what is going to play out with this project. But honestly, I don't know. I just said I should give you guys updates. Don't forget to like my video if you find this interesting. I'll continue to give you guys updates on Wakanda Inu and on different projects. Bye for now, and watch out for my other videos.